Opening, soft sunrise over Jerusalem's hills. Narrator. For Zion's sake, I will not keep silent. For Jerusalem's sake, I will not remain quiet, until her righteousness shines like the dawn, her salvation blazing like a torch. Seen, nations looking in awe. Narrator. All nations will see your glory. You will be called by a new name, a crown of splendor in the hand of the Lord, a royal diadem in the palm of your God. Seen, joyful bride imagery. Narrator. No longer will you be called forsaken. You will be called, my delight is in her, and your land, married. For the Lord delights in you, and rejoices over you as a bridegroom rejoices over his bride. Seen, watchmen on the walls. Narrator. I have placed watchmen on your walls, Jerusalem. They will never be silent day or night, calling on the Lord until he makes you the praise of the earth. Closing, shining city at night. Narrator. Pass through the gates. Prepare the way for the people. For your Savior comes, and you will be called the holy people, the redeemed of the Lord, the city no longer deserted.